Have you ever spent hours manually formatting your footnotes in your maybe thesis, dissertation, or research project, only for the numbering to be disorganized after all the editing? Well, in this video, I will show you how to automatically insert, manage, and format footnotes in your research using the UNIMATS plugin. Whether you are a postgraduate student, undergraduate student, lecturer, researcher, lawyers, historian, or final year project student, this tutorial will save you time and ensure your citation remains professionally formatted. That's the purpose of this video. But before we jump right into the practical demonstration, let's quickly understand what a footnote is. All right. So what is a footnote? Well, a footnote is a reference or an explanatory note placed at the bottom of a page. It is linked to a specific statement in the text using a superscript number. Researchers use footnotes to cite sources, acknowledge ideas from other authors, provide additional explanations, clarify concepts without disrupting the main discussions. For example, if I quote a definition from a book, a superscript number appears in the text and the complete citation is automatically displayed at the bottom of the page. Footnotes are particularly common in laws, history, philosophy, theology, and humanities researches. In contrast, GIS, remote sensing, engineering, and most science disciplines often use in-text citations such as APA or Harvard styles. So why use UNIMATS for footnotes? Well, many researchers will insert footnote manually in Microsoft Word. The problem is that manual footnotes can become difficult to manage as your document grows. The UNIMATS plugin simplifies the process by automatically inserting the footnote, managing numbering through the document, formatting references consistently, reducing citation errors, saving significant time during thesis writing. Well, I believe with this little explanation, we can proceed to the practical demonstration. So, this is actually an engineering research, but I'm going to use it for footnotes. Like I've said, footnotes, usually people from the law, from theology, humanities, people from history automatically know what this is. All right. All right. So if using the previous statement, we have this. So in time of their own, instead of having an in-text citation like we have done in the previous video, in their own case, we will not have it here, but rather we're going to have a subscript number. So if I right click on this and then come down to inside footnotes. So once I click on it, so you see that if you come back up here where we have this written there, it says subscript number called 1 and the footnotes bin here. This is a full everything about the citation, all right, written here, and it is numbered 1. So if I insert another one, maybe somewhere here, if I insert another one and insert footnote, this will become number 2. See, number 2. Now take instance, let's say here I insert the third one, for example, insert footnote. See, it is written 3, right? And it has been written. But let's say this time around, I decide to move this Antarctica down. You see that here has only 2 now. And the footnote that was here becomes number 1 in the next page. So it automatically automates the workflow. Instead of if you were doing it manually, when you move to the next page, you have to remember all of that. But Unimat makes the workflow automated, that if I move even this to the next page, it will also change from one to another one in that page. All right, so the workflow changes from page to page, instead of having at the end of the day, before we have all the references, each page has its own references known as this footmat. All right, so I believe this helps you in one way or the other in your researches. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. For now, bye.